What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. Hope you all had a great new year. I sure have. Well, at least until the 1st of January, about 6 p.m. First, best wishes for all of you. Hope you still enjoy the content, and let me know down in the comment section below what your New Year's resolutions of 2020 will be. But first, we gotta talk. So on the 1st, I'm just driving, and suddenly there's a police stop. No, I was not stopped on the side of the road. I just drove into, police inspection. They are looking for DUIs and stuff. Get pulled aside there, and they saw some of the modifications, and I guess they didn't really like it. Was stuck there for almost an hour, and eventually this happened. So this is my MOT inspection. It's green, meaning it is okay. The cop didn't think so, so he declared it not being legal. What this means is I can no longer drive the car until I get a new inspection, and what that means is, turning it kinda back to stock. The widebody can stay, need to change out the wheels, the suspension, put the rear muffler back on, as you saw in all of those videos I did. That's gotta be reversed. So now have to do this, and then I can get a new MOT and maybe do it all over again. I don't know, maybe change up a few things to make it not as loud as it is, not by sound but by look, so it's a little more incognito car. I don't know, maybe change out the wheels or just get rid of the whole car in one thing and move on to new projects. So that's one of the things I want to do this year, get a new project and try to make some better videos, get a new mic so the sound is a bit better, and maybe explore some other car things that I like. I'm really getting into sports cars, so that's maybe something that's coming. I'm not sure yet, I'm working on it, but big New Year's resolution for me is working very hard on the channel. Really like doing it. Let's throw this aside and get onto the suspension. Well, I didn't feel like showing you the whole thing, but old ones are out, new ones are in. Original ones are in, still not mounted on the top, but I didn't feel like showing you everything once again. As you can see, spring is in. So now to the top. I don't want to show you everything because I already did this multiple times on the channel in a video, so I'll link the video up here where I installed these new coilovers for the first time, and then you can watch the whole thing, how I install them, take out the original springs. Top mounts are on, not fully tightened. I'm gonna tighten them when the car is down, but for now the car is still up. We gotta get this puppy mounted. the rear muffler I took off. So that's gotta go in this big hole right here. It's only been off for maybe a month or two, I think, but it's already gotta go back on because MOT. So muffler is back on. The car will be a lot quieter again. So I'm ready to put the rear wheels on, and then I think after tightening the top of the springs, I'm done in the back. And I had almost forgot, I also needed to remove the rear mounted battery. I put it over there. Not because it's illegal, but it's not mounted that thoroughly, so well, it's better to take it out and have them not see it than having it in and getting a complaint about the battery not being mounted that good. So we're done here. Now it's time to turn the car around and get working on the front. Man, this thing became quiet after I put the rear muffler back on. But well, car is turned around, already took the front wheels off, loosened up the top of the springs, wheels off. So now I can go straight in, change over the springs to the original ones, and well, then I'm almost finished with getting the car back to, well, as stock as possible. Well guys, wheels are back on. Well, the small ones at least. And well, as you guessed, this thing is looking ridiculous. That's the wheel arch, and there's the wheel all tucked up inside. This sucks. Thank you, Mr. Cop, but well, now I gotta wait for the MOT to open, then I can go there, and I think I will bring that news to you in the next video, how it went. So for now guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below, because I asked what are your New Year's resolutions, so leave them down below. Be sure to subscribe to see more of my videos and how MOT goes for me. Will I pass? Won't I pass? Subscribe and see you in my next video. For now, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.